At Farms.com Risk Management, we understand that commodity price risk management and sound financial advice are essential in today's volatile crop and swine sectors. Visit our website at www.riskmanagement.farms.com.
Welcome to the Farms.com weekly crop report for July 15th, 2011. This is Michelle Lamirande, Commodity Research Analyst for Farms.com Risk Management. The USDA June 2011 WASDE report, also known as the USDA Crop Production Report, was released on Tuesday, July 12th. The report was viewed by markets as bullish corn and wheat and slightly bearish to neutral soybean futures. If the USDA had not increased demand by 250 million bushels or increased yields, the U.S. corn ending stocks could have easily been above 1.1 billion bushels, not the 870 million reported bushels. The USDA released their weekly crop progress report on Monday, July 11th. The U.S. corn conditions for the week ending July 10th were reported as 69% good to excellent, unchanged from last week and versus 73% last year. 22% of corn was rated fair, unchanged from last week, and up 4% from last year. U.S. soybeans were reported as 21% blooming versus 8% last week, 38% last year, and the 5-year average of 33%. Soybean conditions for the week ending July 10th were reported as 66% good to excellent, unchanged from last week and up 1% from last year. 26% of soybeans were rated fair, unchanged from last week and up 2% from last year. 8% of soybeans were rated very poor to poor, unchanged from last week and compared to 11% last year. According to the Saskatchewan Crop Progress Report for July 5th to July 11th, 62% of the fall cereals are at normal stages of development, and 53% of spring cereals, 52% of oilseeds, and 50% of pulse crops are being considered normal development. 82% of the winter wheat and 79% of peas are in good to excellent condition. 81% of the spring wheat and lentils, 80% of durum, and 74% of canola is in good to fair condition. The majority of crop damage is due to hail, disease, and flooding. Topsoil across the province is rated at 15% surplus, 77% adequate, 7% short, and 1% very short. That's all for today. Have a great weekend.